Students, we are going to solve today exercise 7.3 first problem. First bit. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. We have to find out this with the help of area of the triangle. As you know the formula, what is area of the triangle? First I will write given A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, C 2, minus 4. What we have to find out, that is RTP, find area of the triangle. Okay. Now what I will write, what is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. From given I am writing x1 2, x2 minus 1, x3 2, y1 3, y2 0, y3 minus 4. Now formula for area of triangle, that is mod. Mod means always positive value. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. Now substitute these values. This is area of the triangle of ABC. x1, what is x1? 2. 2 into what is y2? See here, y2 is 0. 0 minus what is y3? Minus 4 plus x2. What is x2 here? Minus 1. What is y3? Minus 4 minus what is y1? 3 plus x3. What is x3? 2. What is y1? 3 minus what is y2? 0. Substitute these values. Now triangle ABC, open these brackets. 0 minus into minus plus 4 plus into minus minus 1 minus into minus, it is plus, add, you will get minus 7 plus 2 3 are 6. Next triangle ABC, 2 0 plus 4 is 4 minus into minus plus 7 plus 6. Area of the triangle ABC equals to, multiply these two, you will get 8 plus 7 plus 6. Okay. Now you add 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. 15 plus 6. Triangle ABC equals to 21 square units. Okay. Yes, student, you understood the first problem. That was the first bit. Now second one. Find the value of K for which the points are collinear. First of all, what is collinear? The area of a triangle is 0. Then the 3 points said to be collinear points in this. Then they cannot form the triangle. That is, area of the triangle ABC is 0. When the triangle is ABC 0, then the points are collinear. Collinear point never forms a triangle. Fine? Never forms a triangle. It is not collinear, then forming a triangle. See here the first bit. 7 minus 2, 5 1, 3 k. What is RTP? You have to find the value of K. Fine. Now area of our triangle I am writing here. Area of triangle ABC. What is A? This one is A, this one is B, and this is C. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. As you know the formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 square units. Now area of the triangle ABC, we have to substitute all these values. First of all, we will write what is x1, x2, x3. x1 is 7, x2 is 5, x3 is 3. What is y1? y1 minus 2, y2 1, y3 k. This value you have to find out. Clear? Now substitute in area of the triangle ABC. Half into what is x1? 7, y2. y2 is 1 1 minus k plus x2. x2 is what? 5. y3 is k minus y1 is minus 2 plus x3. What is x3? 3. 3 into y1 is how much? Minus 2 minus y2 is 1. Clear? Now you open the brackets. 7 into 1, 7 minus 7k is 7k plus 5 into k minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 minus 3. If you add, you will get minus 3. Now half 7 minus 7k, 5 into k 5k plus 5 2s are 10 minus plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9 equals to 0. I am writing. Why? Because collinear, no? Triangle ABC equals to 0. I have said here triangle ABC is 0. Fine. Now continue. Here triangle ABC equals to half of, what is the difference? 7 minus 7k. Again I am writing here 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9 equals to 0. Half here 7, here 10. 17 minus 9 is alone, write down minus 9. Minus 7k plus 5k how much? 2 minus 2k equals to 0. Next half, how much? 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is how much? 8. 8 minus 2k equals to 0. Now what you have to do? Open this. It will become half into 8 minus half into 2k equals to 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining? 4 minus k equals to 0. Therefore, if you send this 4 to that side, it will become k equals to 4. Clear? Is it clear this one? Okay. Yes, students. Third question. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. In this problem, we have to find out what we have to find out. First, write down given. I have already written. Okay, I have written x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Already we am writing from the previous video. That's why I have written here. What is RTP? Find the area of the triangle ABC and you have to find out the ratio. Something different problem from 1 to 2. Area you have to find out as I have written x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. See here. This is a triangle ABC. Now this is the points P, Q, R. Because it's mentioning a midpoints, so I have written midpoints here. Fine. So P is a midpoint of AB, Q is a midpoint of AC, R is a midpoint of AC. Now we have to find out the midpoints P, Q, R, then area of the triangle PQR, then we have to find out the ratio. Now here I am finding first area of the triangle ABC. This is your formula as you know always. Now you substitute here. What is x1? 0. This is 0. What is y2? What is y2? y2 is 1. y2 is 1 minus what is y3? y3 is 3 plus x2 is, what is x2? 2. See here, this is x2 2. Next, what is y3? y3 is 3 minus what is y1? Minus 1. 3 minus of minus 1 plus x3. What is x3? 0. What is y1? y1 is 1 minus what is y2 is 1. y1 is minus 1. Minus 1. Now triangle ABC half. This is 0 into 1 minus 3. Completely this becomes 0. Plus 2. 3 minus into minus plus. So it becomes 3 plus 1. Plus this is completely 0. Because 0 is multiplied, so it becomes 0. This is also 0. Now half into, this is 2. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 into 4. This is 0. Half into 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This is 4 square units. So therefore area of the triangle I am writing here. Therefore area of the triangle ABC is 4 square units. Okay. As from your figure, P is midpoint of AB. From the figure I am saying, Q is midpoint of BC. R is midpoint. Write down midpoint. Okay. Completely I am writing. R is a midpoint of AC. Now P is the midpoint of AB. We are using here midpoint formula. In our previous exercise we did this type of the problem. Midpoint formula you apply. AB equals to P. Now we are finding the midpoint, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. What is A from the question? 0 comma minus 1. B 2 comma 1. This is x1, this is y1. x2, y2. Directly I am substituting A, B, M equals to P x1 plus x2. 0 plus 2 by 2 y1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. This will become 0. Y minus 1 plus 0 is 0. So what is the direct value we will get? 2 by 2 means 1. This is equals to 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0. Next now what I am saying, Q. Q is midpoint. Q is a midpoint. Write down BC midpoint is what? Q. Again formula x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. B, what is B? 2 comma 1. C 0 comma 3. Substitute here, what we will get here? Substitutions x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 plus x2 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 1 plus 3 by 2. B, C, M. M is midpoint here. 2 by 2 comma 4 by 2. 2 2 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 comma 2. This is Q. This is Q and this is value is P. This is P. 1 comma 0. I will write here 1 comma 0. This is P. Now find out R. R is a midpoint of AC from the figure AC. I have written points x1, y1, x2, y2. This is your midpoint formula. Now you substitute what is x1, what is x2. Anyhow 0 plus 0 divided by 2. This will become completely 0 because numerator is 0. y1 plus y2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. What is AC now? 0 by 2 comma 2 by 2. AC R midpoint. This 0 by 2 is 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 1. So what is AC? AC is 0 comma 1. Now here I am writing P is 1 comma 0, Q is 1 comma 0, R is 0 comma 1. Now here we have to apply area, formula area. In this problem we are getting area of the triangle with the help of the formula and midpoint. Two formulas we are using here. Now find out area of a triangle PQR. Formula x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 square units. Triangle PQR area. Sorry, half 1 by 2. 1 by 2, what is x1? Here, from here I am writing 1 into what is y2? See here, y2 is the 2. 2 minus what is y3? 1 plus x2 1. What is y3? 1 minus what is y1? 0 plus x3 0 y1 0 minus 2. This is what? Half into 1, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 plus this is 0. This is 0. If you multiply this, it's getting completely 0 plus 0. Area of a triangle PQR is half of 1 1s are 1 plus 1 1s are 1. Fine. Now what I am saying now, You add this, no, 1 plus 1, 2. Right? Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, become 1. So therefore, area of a triangle PQR equals to 1. If you remember, already we got area of a triangle ABC equals to 4. Now they are saying us to find out the ratio. So you will find ratio. Area of a triangle PQR, ratio means I can write divide area of triangle ABC. This is 1 by 4. Therefore, ratio equals to 1:4. As I am clear to everyone? Any doubt, please ask.